Hey guys, welcome to Symphonystreasures. So today I'm gonna add some bling to this eye mask. I'm trying to decide if I will be blinging over this or if I'm just gonna add some AB crystals, and this is the size SS16. And you see how they're turned over, so I just shake it like that. And they turn over, they flip over, they fit in the little grooves. And this one has a spout for easy pour back into the container, your storage container. I'm going to be using my jewel pickup tool. And of course, my E6000 glue. And I always keep a paper towel, near, just in case I have to wipe or whatever. So let's get started. I'm gonna just randomly place. I don't have any type of way that I'm aiming to do it, but I'm just gonna randomly place them throughout the mask. This is very simple to do. It's really no technique. I'm trying to make sure that, of course, this is gonna come off later, so you don't have to worry about that. But I'm trying to make sure that I don't use a lot of glue, but just enough. And then I'm twirling it to keep it from creating that string that you saw that it was doing. I don't know if the light affects you if you have a significant other, or when they're, if you have a different shift that they may work and you have to get up first, it may bother them, or vice versa. But the sleep mask would be like a nice little addition to their little nighttime ensemble. So I'm just gonna do this pretty much in random spots all over. And it doesn't matter. You could even do different sizes, mixed sizes. And this, I just love to bling because for me, it's so relaxing. I don't even know when I started doing these things. Like, I think the first product that I was selling that I started out blinging was, I believe, a phone stand. And, they were hot sellers at the time. So I kept making them, and then I started making them in different colors. People were still buying them. Then I went on to I blinged out some earrings, ink pens. Like this is one right here I'm going to show you. But the first one that I did was covered all in the rhinestones. The full pin was covered. So it's very therapeutic for me. I enjoy doing it. And I love the sparkle. This is my favorite stone. The AB crystal is my favorite stone. It sparkles. It has like 10,000 different colors, in it. It's pretty. It goes with just about anything. It's very popular. It's a very popular stone color for blingers. These are glass. I prefer glass over the resin because the shine and the sparkle is just different. One of my most popular items to bling are Converse sneakers. Well, the Nike slides, but the Converses are the most popular. I think I want to add some more. came out nice. I'm gonna add, like, maybe I should go in with some smaller ones now. What do you guys think? Let me get some smaller ones. So yeah, I got these trays. Well, this tray I ordered from the Deco Craft. And these trays I ordered, these have the ridges as well. And I ordered one pack, and it came with about 20 in there, I believe. So you can't beat that. So yeah, now I don't know what size this. I ordered these too. These are like for my fillers. But I'm gonna use this size. I'm not sure what the size of it is offhand. I'm sorry if y'all hear the cars going by. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just fill in like little spots with smaller stones here to kind of give it that nice little finishing touch. Because it's not adding too much. I don't want to have them, you know, big all over the place. I'm just simply using this as a filler. And if it's anything specific that you have in mind that you would like to see me add bling to on, you know, my channel, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm starting all the way over. I'm trying to redirect my traffic from my old YouTube channel that I still have and still will be posting on Miss Prissy TV, but I'm trying to you know, brand everything together with my business. So I needed to have a new channel that coincides with my actual business, Symphonystreasures. So right here, I feel like I'm gonna put a bigger one right there instead of another small one, because I feel like that space is kind of wide open. And like I said, a little bit of this E6000 glue goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot at all. This could be a nice little gift, you know. I could even personalize if you want it personalized for someone specific. Yeah, because I does all of that. All right, guys, so I guess I'm gonna end it here. I don't want to overdo it, but I think I got a lot of the areas and scattered it all around. So thank you guys for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Symphonystreasures. Share this video. Have a great day.